Good day, sir. I am Geraldine Gonzalez Obero from BTVT Ed FSM 3A. As you can see po, here is my workshop layout in housekeeping NC2 qualifications. Here po, as you can see, I have here first an entrance. Pagpasok nyo po is makikita agad natin yung mga achievements, safety rules and regulation, progress report in housekeeping, and of course, one of the important in hotel is the fire extinguisher po for the safety purposes. And of course, including the 9 training facility areas and CBT. Let's come now first with the practical work area. Here po in practical work area, the students or the trainees will practice a actual housekeeping task. In core competencies po, they will make up guest room, clean public area, provide laundry and valet services. Let's come now with the second, which is the learning resource area. This area po will serve as study corner. In basic competencies, they will be learned to follow instruction and workplace communication. And also, this area po, here, they will understand housekeeping standard and hotels rules, safety rules and regulation. Third po, let's come now with the institutional assessment area. This area po is where the students' skills are tested. In basic competencies, it shows being professionalism and being disciplined. In core competencies po, students will demonstrate correct housekeeping procedures during the assessment po. Next po is the contextual learning laboratory. The trainees po will perform and with their real life practices po. In common competencies, the trainees po will handle guest requests in complaints, and in core competencies po, they applying cleaning and service skills in a realistic po in contextual learning laboratory. Next is the quality control area. This area po where the students work po is inspected. In common, they will practice health and safety in housekeeping, and in core competencies, this area po, they will maintain cleanliness, sanitation, and sanitation standard. Let's come now with the number 6, Trainers Resources Center. This area po is the work area of the trainers. The competencies po is to guide students from basic competencies, common competencies, and core competencies in housekeeping skills po. Number 7, let's come now with the distance learning area. This area naman po is for online or modular learning. In basic competencies, developing their own self-learning skills. In common competencies po, they will learn new customer service and industry trends po. Number 8 is the computer laboratory. This computer laboratory naman po, this where computers are used for housekeeping tasks po. Like for example po, in creating rules and regulation po through editing. In basic competencies, they communicate properly using digital tools or like using a technology. Common competencies naman po, they provide customer service using technology. And the last part po of training facility areas in CBT is the support service area. This area po serve as a storage or supply room naman po. Kumbaga is dito kinukuha yung mga tools na ginagamit sa paglilinis and housekeeping po. And dito rin po dinadala yung like for example sa mga laundry, ganun po. Then in common competencies po, to maintain and organize housekeeping tools and even the equipments po na ginagamit nila in housekeeping. In core competencies po, by preparing supplies for daily cleaning task. And of course po, as you can see, I also include the comfort rooms for all the guests, staff or the trainees po. And beside the comfort rooms, I also include trash bin or trash cans po to maintain cleanliness in every area, and of course the exits po. In my conclusion po, I conducted this layout po to provide students or the trainees po with a complete learning experience, and it prepares them po not only with the technical skills in housekeeping but also of being a professional, customer service, and even in a workplace standards po. That is very important in a hotel or even in a housekeeping workplace po. That's all po, sir. Thank you for the listening.